Okay, we're about to do Chubby Bunny with Karen, Tanner, and Megan Fox. Not the Megan Fox, but a Megan Fox. And me. So, how many do you think you can get?
I'm going to go with 7.
7. How many?
5.
How many?
6.
I'm going to go for 7 because I only got 6 last time. So, who wants to go first?
Me.
You have to put one in, and then say, Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Good job.
Alright.
Chubby Bunny.
2. Is that 3?
Yep.
What? What? Okay, everybody quiet. You can't get any more in there? So we got 5 on Tanner?
Yep.
Alright.
I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it last.
Karen's going for 7. Big mouth mama.
Mom, I can't do it. I ain't got no teeth.
That's my flaw, by the way.
I ain't got no teeth. I ain't got no molars. I love how they're all stuck together and stale and
It
gooey.
reminds me of a dream Madeline had. Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, her marshmallow dream. Okay.
I'm already laughing. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
3.
Chubby Bunny.
4.
No, she can't do it.
5.
Okay, I don't want to. I think I'm going to do 4. Oh.
We got 7.
I got 7.
Woo! All right. Yeah, hot
I'm
mama.
only going to do 4.
Hey, you did 5.
Okay, I'll do 5.
You better shove it in there.
You think I can try again? Scared.
Why are you scared? Just pretend you're a hamster and shove them in your cheeks.
There's a puke and pail.
Chubby Bunny. Keep going, baby. Chubby Bunny.
So we got, what, 2 now, right? It's like a walrus. No, you gotta put it in there. Come on. Put it in your cheeks. There you go.
Okay.
Alright.
Boy, I have 2 more.
What? Come on, you gotta beat Tanner. You got 5.
I rock.
What we got, 3? That's good.
I'm 3rd place.
And of course me. Oh boy.
Come on.
I have to beat my stick.
You have to do 7.
Or 8.
What's it called again? What's this game called?
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny?
Yes.
It's all your fault, Shane. For getting me obsessed. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
Please don't choke.
Chubby Bunny. Don't say that. Chubby Bunny. Is that 4? Yeah. Chubby Bunny.
Go, Nicole. I think you should go as many as you can get.
Stop talking.
Look, 6. Chubby Bunny. I got 6, huh?
Mhm.
Chubby Bunny.
Right on.
7.
Chubby Bunny.
9.
Chubby Bunny.
Right on.
That was 9.
Oh,
10.
Oh my god.
Chubby Bunny.
Trash can, trash can.
Yo. All that in my mouth. Do you want some here?
Give it to
lick
me,
my
baby.
fingers?
You it to me.
I win. I got 10. Woo! I win Tay Dawson. It's not victory dance. He only got 6, or maybe 7. I don't remember. I don't remember how many you got with Pete.
Off.
Ooh. We'll try again.
This is an accordion.
I almost did puke.
Subscribe.
I'm gonna put this at the end of all my videos. I win. I'm awesome. Stick hands. Stick hands in. Stick hands in. Stick hands in. Stick hands in. Buddy, stick hand in. Stick hand in. Stick hand in. Stick hand in. Come on.
I got 6. I'm an 11-year-old boy who got 6. 6. I'm
I don't know
very
these. The bonus challenge.
You got a Ziploc.
Can my mom beat my 10?
Grandma takes the chubby challenge.
How many does... You're not my grandma, you're my mom.
I'm a grandma,
But you're not my grandma.
but I'm a grandma.
Oh, you're a freak is
And
what
I
you are.
challenge all the other grandmas to take the chubby bunny challenge.
Okay, so how many do you think you're going to get? What's your bet?
At least 6. I'm gonna try to beat you though. Before you said it was 12, but it
I didn't
turned
say 12,
into
I said 10, didn't I?
It's 10.
Whatever.
It's 10. It's on camera.
10.
I guess it was just a slip of the tongue.
Oh, whatever.
All right, let's go.
All right. 1,
Chubby bunny. Chubby bunny.
2.
Your egg.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Come on. Chubby bunny.
3.
Chubby bunny.
4.
What did I use it for? Chubby bunny.
5.
Chubby bunny.
6.
Oh, we need the trash can, do we?
Chubby bunny.
7. 8. She's up on 8. Maybe it's genetic. What? What? That doesn't even count. You got 8.
I challenge any other grandma to get more than 8. That's it. I can't do it.